Has the glittering allure of gold caught your attention recently? If so, you're not alone. The gold market has been on an exhilarating bull run, with some fascinating developments that are reshaping the landscape of this precious metal. Gold, the lustrous yellow metal, has always been a symbol of wealth and prosperity. Just recently, it hit a fresh all-time high of $2,432 per ounce. This marked one of the greatest gold breakouts since the end of Bretton Woods. The appeal of gold as a hedge against uncertainty, along with steady monthly purchases by central banks, has not only raised the price floor, but is expected to help the asset achieve new highs in the coming weeks and months. But let's not be mistaken. Gold's recent surge isn't just a US dollar story. The precious metal has been making historic breakouts in various currencies around the world. From the Japanese yen to the Chinese yuan and Indian rupee, this global phenomenon underscores the universal appeal of gold as a store of value and a means of preserving purchasing power. Chinese retail investors, for instance, are leading a significant influx into the country's gold-backed ETFs. In March alone, Chinese gold ETFs saw an impressive inflow of $164 million. This investing spree propelled total assets under management in gold ETFs to a staggering $5 billion by month's end. The bull market in gold can be attributed to several factors. Negative real interest rates, expanding government debt, and ongoing de-dollarization efforts by BRICS countries such as China and Russia all play a part. As central banks continue to print money and governments run massive deficits, investors are increasingly turning to gold as a way to protect their wealth from the erosion of fiat currencies. One of the most striking developments over the past several years has been the historic demand from central banks. These institutions have been accumulating gold at an unprecedented pace as they seek to reduce their dependence on the US dollar and create an alternative global reserve currency. There is a growing belief that gold's role as a safe haven asset is becoming increasingly important. With central banks buying gold at historic levels, M&A activity heating up in the mining sector, and the metal making new highs in various currencies, the stage is set for a golden era. In summary, the gold market is experiencing a remarkable bull run. This is not just a US dollar story, but a global phenomenon. Central banks are buying gold at historic levels, and investors are increasingly turning to gold to protect their wealth. This is a compelling narrative that underscores the universal appeal of gold as a store of value and a means of preserving purchasing power. Remember, in this unpredictable world, it never hurts to have a little bit of gold in your portfolio. After all that glitters is not just gold but an opportunity.